Let's go back 3 months. Polytan has already put the foundation in place to ensure top performances. The elastic layer has hardened and a special coating has been applied to seal the base course. A few more bits of work and the team and track will be ready for the next layer, the seamless, water-impermeable and textured M surface. The Polytan M surface system consists of an elastic layer laid in situ. It is covered by a special coating to seal the surface. Then comes the polyurethane binder layer. The EPDM plastic granulate, specially designed for athletic tracks, is enveloped by the binder material and it is fixed in the surface. This results in a water-impermeable, seamless, high-performance track. Even a seamless track has a start and a finish. The finishing line. Here, the seam of the wear course will be concealed under the markings. At the start, a combined drawing and mixing machine is moved into position. It mixes 2 Polytan components to form a high viscosity binding agent. The machine operator constantly checks the mixing ratio. Application of the binding agent and of the granulate starts almost simultaneously. The special machine takes its time. The work is painstaking and must be very precise. The team spreads the binding agent to create a completely uniform coating. The application of the granulate requires just as much skill, since a machine is incapable of providing the flexibility and precision required for this purpose. On the one hand, a machine is unable to control the quantity precisely, and on the other, it cannot spread the granulate as accurately, so we do it by hand. 2 criteria are very important here: timing and accuracy. The polyurethane coating is applied, and then we have to wait for a certain time before we spread the granulate onto it. We add around 4 to 4.5 kilograms of EPDM granulate, which means that we have around 37 tons of granulate for this system.
Knapp 37 Tonnen Granulat.
The granules sink into the binding agent and join with it to form a seamless, watertight layer. Just a few hours later, the Polytan binding agent will have dried and the excess granulate can be simply brushed away, leaving a perfect-looking synthetic athletics track. But appearances are not enough. With great precision, the Polytan site manager checks that the layer has a uniform thickness and that the incline is perfect. All the values which were calculated beforehand have been achieved. The team departs, leaving a precise Polytan M track behind them. It is now ready for the markings and for the first tests by the International Association of Athletics Federations and the customer. Personally, I love running, and of course I was curious about the track, so I had a run on it. It was like flying. Polytan quality also means durability and versatility. For schools and sports clubs, Polytan has developed a particularly robust synthetic system, the S surface, for a smooth surface which still provides plenty of grip. Overall, the S surface is a water-permeable surface and essentially designed as an all-weather surface for multifunction playing surfaces, for handball, volleyball, football and also basketball and tennis.
Fußball, aber auch Basketball und Tennis gespielt werden kann.
The S surface is also installed on an elastic layer, which only needs 1 day to dry. For the all-weather facility in Fürth, this means that it was finished in just 48 hours. Unlike the M surface, the same machinery can be used for the S surface for the elastic layer and the wear course. In the mixer, the red granulate and the special binding agent are thoroughly mixed together and then rolled out strip by strip. No gaps, joints or seams are created. In the in situ method, the high viscosity compound soon dries to form a seamless unit. the result, high water permeability, ideal for all weathers. High elasticity, ideal for public and school sports events. The team works hand in hand with great familiarity as well as complete concentration. Timing and skill are especially important at the edges and corners. The next day, the experts from the Polytan marking team arrive. Precision and expertise are also essential for marking the lines on the surface. The pitch must be measured and lined with the utmost accuracy. Only then will it satisfy the requirements and regulations of the various sports bodies. After the initial markings have been put in place, the team applies the final pitch and track lines. The most important tool for multicolored lines is the marking plan. This ensures that even at the intersection points, the markings are perfectly clear. Precision, durability and resistance to wear. Those are the features of perfect lines. UV protection in particular has to meet the very highest requirements. Markings will only last for a period of decades if special durable line paint is used. That is why Polytan produces the various line paints itself and uses only high-quality raw materials in its formulations. After the line marking work has been completed, another project has been brought to a successful conclusion by Polytan. One full-service project among many.
Polytan
is active nationally and internationally. In some places, we also have branch offices so that we can be close to our customers and can react immediately to inquiries and also carry out any repair or service work which may be required. Over 35 million square meters of completed sports surfaces all over the world. Polytan sports surfaces feature excellent material quality, state-of-the-art product technology and the very latest sports physiology. Polytan gives you the complete product range for sports facilities. From production to laying, all from a single source. 40 years of experience. Polytan. It's the difference that counts.